Drama was witnessed today during the ongoing EndFemicide march in Nairobi County as ladies stormed the streets to protest the killings of women in Airbnbs and in other areas. Nairobi Women Representative Esther Passaris had joined the march on Saturday morning, joining hundreds of Kenyans on the streets. However, things did not turn out as she expected, as few minutes into the protest, hell broke loose and the protesters started booing her, telling Passaris to go back home. Pasaris would later be whisked away by her bodyguards to safety before any more damage could be done. The crowd accused her of remaining silent amid the rising cases of femicides. According to some ladies who spoke to the media at the protest, Passaris should have made her voice heard earlier on, as she is a woman in a powerful position of leadership. Speaking to the media just a few minutes before she was ganged up on, Passaris said that she has been speaking with sub-cabinet secretaries to try and have President William Ruto speak against femicide. Today marked a historic day for Kenya as angry protesters across the country took to the streets to demonstrate against the recent cases of femicides. This year started with some shocking news as the first case of an Airbnb murder was reported in South Bay. The news would inform that 24-year-old starlet Wahoo had been brutally murdered by John Matara after they had gone to spend a night inside an Airbnb. According to police reports, Wahoo was cut several times by the suspect Matara, who had left her to bleed to death before escaping to a nearby hospital where he was arrested. Weeks later, Kenya would be stunned by the most shocking stories of all as 20-year-old student Rita Waini was murdered in another Airbnb in TRM Roysambu. What was heartbreaking about Waini's death is that her body was found dismembered, with her head missing as well as some private organs. The painful ordeal instigated the online fight against femicide, but it would not take long before other cases were reported. Back last weekend, another lady by the name Grace Wangari also met her death in the hands of her boyfriend Clinton, who attacked her with a knife after a misunderstanding in Githurai. Having had enough of such cases, Kenyan ladies accompanied by some men declared a nationwide march today to make their cry heard to the government and the society as a whole. Carrying well-written placards and wearing matching t-shirts, the protesters totally shut down the CBD, making it hard for normal businesses to run, with many roads deemed impassable. What's your opinion on this EndFemicide march today? And do you support what the women are trying to tell to the society, that you should stop killing women, stop blaming women, and in turn focus on the murderers who are men? Drop your comments down below and I'll be sure to check them out. Thank you so much guys for subscribing. We are now at 300,000 subscribers. Make sure to subscribe even more so that we can unlock the 500,000 subscribers.